Hey, what's up, gang? Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, I have to drop a bomb on y'all. Today is pretty much my last day at Martin. I quit today, Monday, April 14th. Actually, they're trying to fire me. Saturday, after I finished my load, my run that they assigned me, they still want me to run my clock all the way down and go pick up an empty. Did not do it because, bitch, damn, can I have some time to myself? Like, this supposed to be my day off. Y'all bitches just running. Y'all want motherfuckers to be a slave around here, and I'm not doing it. I already had it, felt it deep down in my soul that they was about to try to fire me. So I got a message this morning from my fleet manager to head into HR to go see the chick over there in HR safety. I also got a call from the higher ups this morning, and I already know what time it is. I got a load. I don't have a load for today yet. They about to try to fire me. So thank God I'm 2 steps ahead of the game. I already have something lined up. I actually have to go take my drug test this morning for the new company that I start. I was really sparing Martin. I could have started the new company this week, but I'm going to start it next week. Because I told them I need to put my 2-week notice in, but pretty much I'm quitting today. They should have noticed 2 weeks ago that I was about to quit. You feel me? So actually just got up. I look a mess right now. I was getting my hair braided and it's not complete. So I'm going to head on over to take my drug test for the new company, and then I'm going to head to the terminal so I can unpack my truck and pretty much call it a quit. So come with me while I go pack up my truck and get the hell on down the road. All right, gang. I am about to pack up my things. My truck is still where I left it. You can always tell when somebody's been touched your truck. But I have a lot of things that I have to unpack. And this was my purpose of not putting a whole heap of shit in my truck when I transitioned from Welfare Express to Martin. I didn't put a lot of stuff in here because I know when I had moved the last time, I had so much shit. It was like I packed the whole van up of my stuff that was in that truck, and I said, nah, I'm not doing that again. So I made sure I didn't put a whole heap of shit in this truck. It's probably take me a good hour. I ain't really much get started yet, but probably take me a good hour and a half to get all of this cleaned out. Now I know some of y'all are going to say, how do I know they was gonna fire me? Anybody that got common sense that works over here for Martin knows that when them folks call you in that HR, when they tell you to go see HR or safety, you can pretty much pack your shit up and go. These folks is slick, okay? And I already know what time it is. I done heard enough stories. I done seen them in action. I know how these folks work over here at Martin. So before I give them the opportunity to play in my face, they've been doing that long enough. I already know what y'all about to say. So to save the both of us the headache, all of us time, I'm going to go ahead and pack my things up and go about my merry business. That is what I text my DM earlier. It's on wax that I'm saying I quit. I said I'm just going to go ahead and remove my things out the truck because I already know what y'all about to do. Y'all about to fire me. That's when he said, are you saying you resign? And I had said yes. Y'all can't really see the messages. This is just him because I was texting him on the app. But this was this morning. Please head into the terminal and see Nikki in Human Resources. Y'all already know what time it is. I asked him what was going on. What's going on? That's what he said. He wouldn't tell me. And I have the messages in the app. It's on wax. This also was the way that I knew what time it was, because I don't even have a load for today. And mind you now, I'm due to go out today. I ain't had no loads. I already knew what time it was. I was born at night, but not last night. You feel me? So look, right, I turned the car on so I could take my thing off. Why these petty motherfuckers put a lock on the steering wheel? They petty. This is what I'm saying. These are petty motherfuckers. They don't lock the truck so I can't move it. The steering wheel won't move. Bitch, I wasn't trying to go nowhere in this motherfucker anyways. Like, y'all gotta... This is what I be saying. These motherfuckers be nasty low-key. Why did y'all lock this truck? I told y'all they was about to fire me. Bitch, I ain't stupid. This motherfucker was locked probably days ago, over the weekend or something. Y'all was about to fire me. Bitch ain't stupid. I already knew what the fuck y'all was about to do. He said, so you're resigning? And I said, yes. So that's the end of it. I had already started packing my truck up, getting little things together, because I already knew that this was going to happen. Like, I felt it in my spirit. Like, your intuition never lie. I already knew this. These motherfuckers put me on serious warning. Anything I do wrong could cause me to get fired. So before I give them the opportunity to fire me, I'd rather just go and quit and go about my business. These motherfuckers can be nasty. They'll fuck around, put some nasty shit on my DAC report or some shit like that. I didn't want to give them the opportunity to do that. So I'd rather walk away before it gets to that point. I already got something else lined up. I'm not pissy. I'm not mad. I'm not salty. It's cool. Like, I promise you it's cool. I start my next company, the new company that I already got approved and everything. I just took my drug test today. I already had some shit planned. My plans got plans. And if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. Your girl be on point. I already was about to quit by the end of this week anyways, to go to my orientation for my next company. So it was all, I needed to take a break anyways before I make my transition to the next company. So it is what it is. I'm about to pack this stuff up. The time is currently 1:06. So let's see how long it takes me to get this shit packed up. I might have to make 2 trips because my car is small as hell. All right, gang. Y'all won't believe this. The time right now on the clock is 2:22. As I am recording this, I got finished at 2:22. If that ain't the angels and the universe speaking to me right now, this is the right move. I just wanted to put this on wax that I left their truck in great condition. Actually, it smells really good in here. Need to be swept down a little bit, but everything is clean. I didn't have a shitload of stuff. I had literally just enough room to fit my stuff in my little bitty Honda. But everything is cleaned out. I left everything pretty clean. Yeah, put that thing on wax. It's just a little trash, but everything is clean. Left that shit in one piece. As you all can see, got it on wax. Yeah, so I know a lot of these little bed bugs behind the scenes watching this video is probably fucking jumping up for joy that your girl, the one that was applying all the pressure over here at Martin, is finally leaving this mofo. Y'all can have this shit. Y'all can have this slave ass job. Your girl ain't nobody's slave, okay? And I just can't do it. You know, I was already quitting, so you know, my last day was about to be this weekend. I was about to quit anyways. I start my new job next Monday, and I really was sparing Martin for real. I could have been started, but I just was going to work the rest of the week and then just let him know, like, your girl is out of here. But I was about to leave the building, exit left any fucking ways, Martin. So, you know, thanks for the opportunity or whatnot. I'm not really going to dog them. Same thing with Welfare Express. I just got my shit and get the fuck on type shit. Ain't no hard feelings. You know, it was all right, whatever. While I was here, I appreciate them allowing me the job or whatnot. For all the drivers that I did refer over here to Martin, good luck on your journey. Y'all keep in touch with me as well if you can. Let me know how things are going over here at Martin Transport. But as of today, April 14th, 2025, your girl has quit Martin Transport. This is my last day over here. Well, yeah, my last day over here at Martin Transport. My truck number was 68025. Whoever get my truck bookie, it was me up in this joint. So yeah, that's it, y'all. This chapter of my life, turning the page, moving on to something better. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned so I can do my company reveal, let y'all know which company I decided to go with. All right, gang, until next time, it's your favorite cousin Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. I'm out this bitch.
Started for nothing, we did it, we made it, we turned into something. I said what I be, but they ain't believe